Man, I swear that I'm a real one, I ain't never losing. And now I'm so caught they spin, but they don't never do shit. I'm in these streets, this shit is real, man, I ain't picking choosing. I gotta get rich before I die, I'm focused on the music. Man, I swear that I'm a real one, I ain't never losing. And now I'm so caught they spin, but they don't never do shit. I'm in these streets, this shit is real, man, I ain't picking choosing. I gotta get rich before I die.
I just finished my morning meditation, and if you observed 2 days ago, I put a video saying that I killed my leg workout. I actually did kill my leg workout, and now I am going through the pain process of a crazy intense workout. Yesterday, the reason I didn't upload a video yesterday was the pain. My legs were paining like a motherfucker, so my head was not straight. I was just trying to cool it the fuck down. The pain was kind of intense. I would probably say that might have been because of me stopping pre-workout. So for me, pre-workout, it has never affected me. By that, what I mean is, people usually take pre-workout to get the caffeine rush to go kill it in the gym. But for me, my body does not respond to caffeine. I've tried black coffee, that's exactly what I started with. 3 tablespoons of black coffee, never affected. Then I took another pre-workout, I never felt it. Then another one, I never felt it. Then, yeah, that's when I understood that my body does not react to caffeine the same way that other people usually react to. They get hyperactive. When they take a pre-workout, they get hyperactive as fuck. They feel like they can crush the weights, or they have tingling sensations all over the hands, body, or one of my friend gets it over here. Fuck, his face turns red also. I have absolutely never experienced any of those things. The only reason I used to take pre-workout was a pre-workout consists of other ingredients which help the body to grow. So that was the only reason why I used to take it. And then I stopped it because one of my friends suggested that you're really taking pre-workout when your body is not even making use of it. Like probably some part of it, but the other part of it's not even using it. You're just dumping it in your body for no reason. So that is why I stopped my pre-workout like last week, I guess over a week. And maybe that is the reason why now the intense workouts, it's taking time for my body to recover because the recovery period changes. Probably if I change my diet, if I include something which will help me with my recovery process, that will for sure help me lose the soreness. But for now, all I'm doing is stretches. Even now, I am doing my stretches so that the pain reduces. Stretches are like a boon. They're the best fucking thing. I do them in between sets. Oh my god. The feeling you get when you stretch out a muscle which is sore, that is something else. That is really something else. Anyways, I have one more thing I want to speak about, which is I hopped on LinkedIn like 3 months ago, and since 3 months I've been posting content on it very regularly, and I updated my bio and everything 3 months ago. So like 2 days ago, I just updated that I also work with Refine. I just put that I'm part of another startup called Shop Refined, which sells online thrifting clothes. So I just updated that, and you will not believe the number of DMs that flew in. Like I've got around 30 to 40 people saying congrats on the new role, congrats on the new role. And not just that, I have people who've actually asked me, did you leave your other role in Make Me Garden? When I asked them why, they actually like the content or the daily creatives that we were putting up through Make Me Garden, and they thought I would not be putting them anymore. So, few of them were actually concerned about that. So, all my LinkedIn fam, whoever is watching this video, thank you so much for congratulating me. However, I'm still part of Make Me Garden. I just updated my Refines profile on LinkedIn. I never updated my LinkedIn bio. So the other day I was just going through bio and there was a lot of crap. I just removed a lot of crap and put in genuine shit. So I would now recommend you to go check out my LinkedIn bio. I'll have it in the description too. Anyone who's not following me on LinkedIn, go down to the link description and check out the link. You'll find it there. And before I end this video, Ashita label has collection on sale 30 fucking percent off only until 22nd of this month. So now make the smart choice. Make the smart choice of grabbing something which is undervalued.